Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am coming today to show you guys how I make this knitted bracelet. The knitted bracelet is one of those, I would say intermediate type of bracelets. I've used 4 different colors for this bracelet and also as well as this one here. For some reason, this one turned out a little bit thicker. Actually, no, this is 5 colors. Okay, this is 5 colors, clearly. This is 4 different colors, and you can see, I guess, the width and how that varies depending on the amount of string that you use and the colors. So this is 4, this is 5. So yeah, I'll be showing you guys how I make this bracelet. For this bracelet, I would say that you would need anywhere from 3 different colors, 2 of each, so you can have a total of 6 strings. Or you could use 8, and that's what I'm doing today. I'm using 4 different colors, 2 of each, and so a total of 8. And I will leave the exact measurements per color and per string down in the description box, because I feel like this bracelet requires some amount of string. Like, I feel like I run out of it quicker when I make this bracelet for some reason. But anyways, so I do have a video on this actually from 11 years ago, but I feel like I complicated it a little bit. So I'm going to try to simplify it a little bit here today so that you guys can get the most out of bracelet making. So what I've done already is I've already started, like I said, the bracelet, and I have arranged the colors the way I would like, and you guys can go ahead and do the same. And so the first part of the bracelet from left to right, we are going to be making forward backward knots. And a forward backward knot, if you don't know, it's literally making a 4, and then a backward knot, you're making like a P sign, like literally a backwards 4, and that's the complete knot. And the thing with this bracelet is that the one that got knotted on is the one you're going to use to make the next forward backward knot onto the next string. So it's a little bit different than regular bracelet making because you're not carrying over the one that got knotted on. And I feel like this one that's what makes it a little bit different, and that's why it looks the way it does. I feel like it's very unique, a very type of just a different bracelet, if you will. But anyways, so we can start now. I will create forward backward knots from the left to the right. So from the first to the second string, forward, and then a backward knot. And then the one that we just knotted with, I'm going to place onto the left side here, and the one that got knotted on, we're going to use for the next forward backward knot onto the third string. That'll go to the left side, and now what the one that got knotted on, we're going to use again to make another forward backward knot. And that'll go to the left side. And again, the one that got knotted on, we're going to make another forward backward knot. So from here, you can just watch what I'm doing and you'll understand, I guess, the concept a little bit bigger, or a little bit better, I should say. And this is the last forward backward knot. So forward and then backward. So now we can put the one that we knotted with aside, and now this one here that just got knotted on is our first string, and we'll bring all of them down. So now what we'll do is we're going to work from right to left, and we're going to do the opposite. Instead of making forward backward knots, we're going to make backward forward knots. And again, with the same concept of the one that just got knotted on is the one that we're carrying through to make the next knot. So from here, backward, forward knot. And that can go to the side, and then we get to the next string here, the one that got knotted on, we make a backward, forward knot. And put that to the side. And again, the one that got knotted on, we make backward and forward knot. And I'll just let you guys watch from here. Okay. I make another backward, forward knot, again backward, and forward. One last knot here. So that is basically it, guys. Now this is our first string, the one that got knotted on, and then we just carry that over to make the next forward backward knot onto the next string. So that is literally the entire pattern. It's a very, very simple bracelet to make. And yeah, I hope that you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys would like to see any more tutorials, please let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.